COVID-19 times. In mid-March 2020, the government of Mexico began to take measures to deal with the health contingency of COVID-19. The consequences of this contagion have significantly reduced the income of Mexican companies, which have particularly affected micro, small, and medium-sized companies, causing a significant rise in unemployment in Mexico. According to IMSS, that more than 550,000 formal workers were laid off in April alone. The country is in chaos to the pandemic, fewer jobs, more poverty, more deaths, and incomplete education for the new generations. It might not be noticed at this time, but a few years it will bring consequences. At first, nobody believed this about the pandemic. As time, people began to take care of themselves a little more because people or families did from this disease. But even so, people have to look for their daily break, for their daily bread. Since many do not have a good economic support. During the of pandemic, many things have changed extremely backward. Business, saturated hospitals, people trying to survive, too many casualties. Many have already lost hope and say, now we have to wait our turn. However, there are those who say having a job this day is gold. At this time, we must continue to remain calm because how things are going are decisions that have been made by the government have not been completely satisfactory. We only have to take care of ourselves and continue fighting to get the family forward. In conclusion, the COVID-19 pandemic, in addition to being a health crisis, has the potential to generate a serious economic and humanitarian crisis. It is time to take decisive action that see the efficient allocation of resources. If we don't, the crisis will be much deeper. More jobs will be lost. Mexican families will have lower incomes, and we will be further away from building a freer, fairer, and more prosperous country.